Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have a couple of new Harbor Freight coupons to show you. And of course, we have the latest, the greatest, amazing tool deals to show you. Starting out with the Harbor Freight coupons. They just put out a new, for the first time in like 6 months, 30% off coupon. This is off any item under $10. You can consider this the traditional way of doing the 30% coupons, how they've done it the last few years. The coupon does say limit 5. It's really subject to the cashier having a problem with it because typically you can buy as much as you want. Anything under $10 will get that 30% off. I'm really hoping before this gets over on the 18th to be able to get in there and pick up some things. If I do get a chance, I'll make a video and show you guys the stuff that I'm picking up. Typically, what I really like to look at there is the storehouse items, and those are your replenishables, different types of bolts and fasteners of different kinds, some like the rubber grommet stuff, because it's a great time to build up your collection of things that you are going to need, because you're only going to pay $5 or $6 for one of these sets. And even if it's a 400-piece set, if you come across one situation where you need one and you happen to have it because you bought that set, it pays for itself just getting it that one use. So I really like that stuff. Now the other coupon to talk about, if you go up to the top here, we have Harbor Freight and the latest Harbor Freight post. That brings you to this page here. You see the one we just talked about. But then here's the other coupon that just came out a day or two ago. 30% off U.S. General accessories. Again, it expires the same date, the 18th. I would imagine you can use both of these coupons in the same transaction, but you wouldn't be able to use them on the same item. So if it was a U.S. General item under $10, I don't think the discount would come off of both, but I sure as hell would try, and you'd have better luck if you were buying several items. Their computer system is kind of shit, so you may be able to pull a fast one in that way if you wanted to try. Anyway, the U.S. General accessories, it's a lot of the magnetic stuff that sticks to the toolbox, a lot of the organization stuff like socket rails or wrench organizers, the screwdriver organizers, all of those toolbox accessories that you may want will be included in this. I mean, here's all the item numbers that it applies to, which is a hefty amount. So, we'll have the link down below. I'll just link this latest post down here so you can see both of those coupons. People on the email list have already been emailed that, so if you want to join the email list, right sidebar for desktop users, bottom of the page for mobile users. Okay, first deal, it's a Popo Man deal. We actually have two Popo Man deals today. Rotary tool accessory kit, 313 piece. We saw this about 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. Grinding, polishing, drilling kits. It is currently 40% off. And to get to that 40%, you're going to have a 30% promo code that goes through the 20th. We also have a 10% coupon on the Amazon item detail page. Another one of those things that are extremely handy to have if you have a rotary tool. If you don't, they're actually pretty cheap, so I would definitely suggest picking one up. Handy little suckers to have. Next up is one of my favorite items. It really more belongs on the automotive deals page, which we added a bunch of stuff to all those auxiliary pages at the top of this page that you should definitely check out. But it belongs more over there, but I just like them so much. Every once in a while I have to throw them through the main feed here. But it's a Bluetooth FM transmitter, wireless audio adapter, hands-free car kit, dual USB ports by Victi Singh. 62% off. So the one I have and I personally use is by this same company, but mine doesn't have this nifty little screen that I actually think is pretty cool, although I don't know if it would work with the Corvette because of the way this thing comes out. Mine is just the stud here. But what it does is you tune the radio in your car to a specific FM station. It'll tell you which station to go to, and then you turn your Bluetooth on your phone, and you can stream music from your phone. It goes to this little guy, and then this guy transmits the FM signal to the stereo, and boom, what you are streaming on your phone comes out your car stereo, and it's amazing. It's amazing because the old stereo I have in the Corvette, it's just an AM/FM radio, and it doesn't sound that great. But you get all the options of streaming without having to put a new radio in or to have to cut out the bezel. to fit a more modern stereo. It's cheap, it's easy, it's beautiful. This one's 62% off. Under $10 for all that convenience. Speaking of convenience, these things are fantastic also. Wire stripper, self-adjusting cable cut or crimp or 3-in-1 multipliers. These are by Tack Life. It's $16.99, but we have a $5 coupon on the Amazon item detail page. Now these are my second favorite kind of stripper, and here you stick the wire in. And I will say one thing is it's made for right-handed people. I'm left-handed, so it's a little inconvenient, but look, the whole world is made that way, so I can't hate them for that. And they're all the same design. Whatever brand you buy is what I mean. So the wire comes in through here, right? And then this is a little stopper, and you see here it adjusts back and forth so you can see how much length of wire you are stripping. And you just stick it in there, you give it a squeeze, these little jaws come down and separate, and pa-pa! Wire stripped. You can get coaxial, the Romex stuff, it's just everything. You just stick it in there, hit the trigger, it strips it, it's magic, it's beautiful. Easy. If you can line up 3 wires that are the same size all right next to each other, bam, 3 at once. It's a 3-banger. I love it. Next up, we're going to Advanced Auto Parts. We have a gear wrench set, 5-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. This one's metric. We also have the link for SAE if you prefer SAE. It is $14.99 currently at Advanced Auto. Home Depot $23.51 and Acme Tools $36.99. Now with Advanced Auto, you can buy online to pick up in store, and that's free obviously. Or you get free shipping on orders over $35. So if you bought this and the SAE set, you're almost there. You're at $30. Buy yourself a quart of oil. Do not buy antifreeze. Let me tell you, do not buy antifreeze. I've gone through with these 3 vehicles that take turns in the garage like 8 gallons of antifreeze, which means I removed close to 8 gallons of antifreeze. Nobody takes antifreeze. You call this place, do you guys take antifreeze? No. We take trans fluid, we take brake fluid, we take oil, we take all this stuff. You don't take antifreeze. No. Call this place, do you take antifreeze? No. Do you know anyone who takes antifreeze? No. No one takes antifreeze. They sell it in stores. It might not be the hottest selling item, but they sell it. There has to be a place you can take it to get rid of it. I'm telling you. Gonna end up taking a long drive. I know, I didn't say that. You're not allowed to say that. But I can't get rid of it. There's nowhere to go. 18-inch power grip bolt cutters with foldable handles by Olympia. 40% off. That is a coupon on the Amazon item detail page. Home Depot $27.12. Same price without that 40% coupon. And Tools ID has them for $35.16, and here's your little pivot point where they fold. Nice and compact, don't take up all the space. Over at Home Depot, we have the Milwaukee M18 starter kit with 1 5-amp-hour battery and 1 2-amp-hour battery. It is on sale from $199 down to just $99, $100 off, free shipping. And I couldn't find anyone else with this exact model number that currently was selling it. But it's $100 off. The 5, the 2, the charger, the bag. What more could you ask for? Your second Popo Man deal. Actually, I know what Popo Man stands for because I have a Popo Man box here. Hang on, I can't read it from here. Power Man, Possible Man. That's right. Power Man, Possible Man. That's a Popo Man. It's really goofy how this thing came up, as you may know because I've talked about it in the past. I don't actually insert any of this information here. I just put in the ASIN number from Amazon, and it's automatically beautifully displayed here. But it was not 155. It was never 155. I don't know why 155 is coming up. The Lightning deal is coming 50% off. It was $119 or thereabouts, and then it was on sale for $99. Lightning deals always take a percentage off the top price, so that's the $119, so it's about $60. And it's the full kit, charger, battery, impact, a couple little accessories. Nice cheap price. Now, I actually wish this came up afterwards because obviously I have that box I was just reading off of. They sent me a drill that I'm going to be doing a video on here in the next couple of weeks. And we'll see how good it is. But I wish I would know beforehand. Anyway, there'll be another code down the line for that thing. Next up, we have the Advanced Dual Range Voltage Tester Pen with flashlight, a non-contact voltage tester. And this is by Southwire. Amazon currently has it for $17.98. Lowe's sells it for $24.98. Acme Tools, $21.99. And Tool Up, $24.69. So if you want the contact version, just stick your tongue out. But that's the non-contact version. It's for sissies. You really don't need it. Just lick the wires. You'll find out if there's voltage. Stainless steel. Screws and nuts. Assortment kit. Allen wrenches. I wouldn't put much value in the Allen wrenches, honestly. Hex button head cap screws by Vigru, King of Screw. It is $25.99. We have a 30% promo code. Goes through the 17th, today and tomorrow. Next up, an LED tactical rechargeable flashlight, handheld light torch. 800 lumens, 4 modes by Esco Light. It is 50% off, $23, $11.50-ish. After promo code that goes through the 19th. Comes with the rechargeable battery and the charge cable. And we will also be having a Olight flash sale coming up in, I believe, the next week. I think it's the 20-something. 20-something. They actually have a new product coming out. Maybe I'm not supposed to say. They have a new product coming out. It's not even really a flashlight. It's kind of different. Anyway, we'll definitely be talking about it when the flash sale comes out. But I'm pretty excited for it. They asked me, well, would you like any of the products coming up in the flash sale? And they told me what was in it. And I said, you know what? I didn't know you even sold this. Yeah, I want to try that. And they said, well, it's not really released yet. I thought, oh, okay, well, I understand why I didn't know that existed then. So anyway, that's coming up. Probably a week to 10 days. 800-piece rubber O-ring assortment kit. 18 sizes. Sealing gasket washer by Vigru. 40% off. $16.99. 35% promo code. 5% coupon. Pretty cheap. 800 pieces. Now, because Harbor Freight has their 30% coupon, I have no idea what their O-ring sets are. They come in two different sets. You can get the SAE version or the metric version. Comes in a nice little plastic case. I don't know the number or the price, but that's definitely, if you're interested in O-rings, check out that also to see which one's a better deal or what has more of what you need in it. Auto, tire, pressure, monitor, sensor, TPMS, relearn, reset, activation tool, GM series vehicles. 35% off. It's $9.99. We have a 30% promo code through the end of the month. 5% coupon on the Amazon item detail page. And Prime members at the time of posting this morning also got an additional discount. I think it was $8.99 or $8.49, and in that case your percentage discounts would come off that lower amount. So a little additional savings for the Prime members. Tack Life digital caliper measuring tool 0 to 6 inches. $14.99, 45% off. Going to be $8-ish. 4 out of 5 stars. Championship belts. Four-pack drill brush attachment kit. Drill brush, power scrubber, cleaning bathroom, pool tile. I wonder if it works on other kinds of tile. Flooring, brick, ceramic, marble, and grout. It's by Foxiste. I think it's French. 50% off. $16.98, $8.50. It's a 4-piece set. We used to see promo codes quite often on this. And thatdailydeal.com used to have, it's either $6.99 or $7.99, and even sometimes free shipping, but we just haven't seen it in a while. Anyway, 2 years ago maybe, a company gave me some of these for free. I really like them. They're pretty damn handy. So if you want to watch that video, I use it in a few spots, and not expensive. Can definitely come in useful for you. So Speaking of useful, duct tape. Really, the only thing you need to repair just about anything on the planet. This is 3 rolls, multi-pack duct tape by Sky Together. It's 45% off, normally $19. And that goes through the 18th. All you need is duct tape and a Craftsman wrench. And you can fix it all. Heavy duty copper wire lugs, battery cable ends, eyelets, tubular ring terminals by Foldable. This is tinned copper, 40, that's 40, there's no 5 there. 40% off, and that's good for today and tomorrow, starting out at $18. Somewhere around 10-ish. Looks like it also comes with some heat shrink. That sets it over the edge right there. I like when they say 160 pieces, because it's probably 130 pieces of heat shrink and then 30 of these things. I'm sure there's a breakdown in the listing, but be aware. Lights. They must have been watching some Harbor Freight advertisements, getting some pointers. Solar lights, outdoor, 15 LED solar motion sensor lights, security lights, wireless IP65, waterproof outdoor lights, 2-pack by Aegist. 50% off, $26. Cutting that in half is $13. So that would be $6.50 per solar light. Now that is supposed to go through the 25th. And we are getting to things that I posted yesterday, so let's just keep our fingers crossed that the promo codes are still good. You guys all know that the deals can die at any time for any reason, so if you like something, you buy it now. You don't wait till later. You wait till later, you end up a big crybaby with a tear in your beer. Your dog's going to hate you. He's going to bite you in the nuts. Don't get bit in the nuts. Buy now, don't buy later. Next up, 8-piece metric offset boxed end wrench set. This is by Surrey Tool, and it is 25% off. I wish they had both. If they had both the metric and the SAE, I would have 100% bought it. But I use more SAE than metric, so I would have even just bought the SAE. I just don't use a lot of metric. But I really want offset boxed end wrenches. I really want a set of them. And this would have been perfect. I'm not a big fan of metric. 20% off with the promo code that goes through the 18th. Also 5% coupon. So that's how you get your 25% off. That's a really good deal because these things can be expensive. Expensive. And we have 127 reviews. 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. With the roll-up pouch, which, I don't know, if you'd use it, I guess it's worth something, but... And we've already talked about this DeWalt thing, so we don't need to rehash old news. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. We got a video to finish up, a couple videos to work on that'll be coming out. Check out the second channel. We put a luggage rack on the Corvette. That was nerve-wracking as hell. But it's on and it looks good. So we got more projects coming up out in the garage. That's where I'm headed right now. It's 40-something degrees outside right now, so be a good initial test to see if all my insulating this summer has helped in regards to heating the garage. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I'll see you next time.